Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are doing another tech vlog and tech unboxing featuring this new Motivo W33 wireless headset from Motivo Philippines. Okay, we have a new gadget now that we can unbox. The very interesting part of this headset is meron daw siya active noise cancelling, which is I am very fan of the active noise cancelling. So we're going to try it. So this is the Motivo W33 wireless headset with an SRP of 1,209.12. Napakamura. So before I unbox it, let me discuss to you the tech specs of the Motivo W33 wireless headset. Alright, let's do this. Okay, this is the tech specs of the Motivo W33 wireless headset from Motivo Philippines. Ang tech specs niya is, this is a lightweight, foldable design wireless headset, and it has an active noise cancelling feature. One of the best tech features sa mga headset is yung active noise cancelling. It can eliminate noise sa paligid nyo. Ayan. Para makakarinig kayo ng music na talaga super clear. This is a DC 3.7 volt na kanyang power, a 300 milliampere na battery. Medyo maliit lang yung kanyang battery, 300 milliampere, but it says here na it has a, mamaya ko sasabihin sa inyo yung kanyang duration, kung ilang oras pa to. Meron siyang 90 decibel signal to noise feature, 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range, at yun nga, meron siya 2 hours to 3 hours charging time at 4 to 6 hours of playtime. Uy, mahaba-haba rin. Almost the entire day. At meron siyang 6 to 8 hours for FM at TF mode, FM radio, TF if you're using a I think SD card, I think, no? At meron siyang Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It can detect, use MP3 audio decoding format, at meron siyang FM radio range na 87.5 up to 108 megahertz. So abot mo the entire radio station, no? At mic sensitivity niya, pwede sa mga pang-calls din, negative 32 decibels. Meron siyang strong and thick bass burst, clear, realistic sound quality. At ang kanyang body color is cream, black, and purple. And I think I got the black version, no? So that's it. And for the SRP niya is 1,209, and it's available in Lazada, Shopee, Instagram, TikTok page ni Motivo Philippines. Alright? So that's it. Na-discuss ko na yung tech specs nito, at let's unbox it at gamitin na natin. Especially, nag-travel around tayo sa mga provinces at Manila, I need an active noise cancelling para hindi ko marinig yung mga noise ng mga tao sa paligid ko. Also, kahit tunog na sasakyan din eh. Alright, unboxing na. Let's do this. And here we go, guys. This is the Motivo Philippines W32 pala, 32. Hindi pala siya W33. Mukhang maling specs yata yung natignan natin. I think I read it W32. Ayan, W32 siya. At meron siyang physical noise cancelling. As I mentioned earlier, at this is a wireless headset, stereo Bluetooth headset. Pasensya na, I read it kanina sa aking script, W33. Ayoko na mag-reshoot. This is a W32 headset. Alright, so sa likod ng box, ito yung mga specs niya. As I mentioned earlier, kasi kinopya ko lang naman yung specs niya dito sa box. Soft earpads, 4 to 6 hours of FM radio, foldable design, great sound, may microphone, and adjustable headband. So, let's unbox it, at para matry na rin din natin to. Thank you so much kay Motivo Philippines for this ating review unit. And here's the headset. Wow. So the headset is this, foldable siya, at there's the micro USB cable. Micro USB cable siya. So ayan. And this is the headset. Very foldable siya. So, pag gagamitin nyo, ganito itsura niya. And if you're not going to use it, parang pag ganito. Tama ba? Yeah, pag ganito. Kasi in-open natin, nakaganito siya eh. So, naka-lips to lips yung yung back tsaka yung itong foam na to nakaganyan. So if you're not using it, naka-fold siya ganyan. So very interesting part is it has noise cancelling. Let's check out the synthetic leather niya. Ayan. My problem is pag ganito yung quality niya, minsan nag-chip niya pag tumatagal. So I suggest always use this. Kasi pag tinago niyo to sa cabinet niyo, naiinitan, nasisira to. So sa ilalim niya is there's a button. I think this is there's an on-off button here. Volume, and I think, I'm not sure if this is the Bluetooth settings. Mamaya kakapay natin. There's also a 3.5mm head jack. It means that pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit naka-wired. So wala lang siyang kasamang cable, but there's also a manual na pwede niyong basahin, no? At alamin how to use this. But the important part is the micro USB cable niya. Yan. So, let's try it, no? Suotin na natin. Let me pair this first to my phone. I'll press this button. At sana may charge siya. It's blinking already. It's blinking red, and I'm not sure if it's connecting to Bluetooth, no? I'll turn on my Bluetooth sa aking phone. Let's check if it's ma-detect siya. Kasi sa iba kasing headset, kailangan mo siyang i-click. Ayan, it says here, Motivo W32. Ito siya. So I need to click this, and it's already pair na natin siya. Ayan. So connecting, and it's now connected. So gawin natin, as I'm going to go to my Spotify. Spotify tayo. At naka-connect na. Let's listen to The Breed. Kasi si The Breed is back. At meron siyang parang gig this May 22 in Roadhouse, Manila. It's a rock star to. So let's play Black Mercedes-Benz. So we shift to the for front camera. Let's record it na, no? Testingin natin. Tama-tama, medyo maingay ito sa venue natin. We're going to test the active noise cancelling of the Motivo W32 wireless headset. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we're now recording, no? So this is the Motivo W32 wireless headset with active noise cancelling. Ito, nakalagay siya. It's Motivo. And I have now my Spotify of The Breed. We're going to play the Black Mercedes-Benz. So ito na. Adjust po natin yung headset niya. Tama-tama, medyo maingay. This is perfect. This is perfect. And I'm going to play. Let's check it out. Lakas ng bass niya. Actually, wala akong marinig. Meron siyang active noise cancelling. Let me tinker some of the settings here. Wala na akong marinig. Check natin ito. May mga buttons. Let me check the manual. Check natin yung manual. The manual is in Chinese. Okay. There's the power button. Wireless mode. Take a phone call. Reject. MP3. FM mode. So wala siyang settings for active noise cancelling. It's automatic na siya. May FM mode. I'll try the FM mode. Saka yung FM mode dito, no? Okay, makinig muna tayo. Malakas. Wala ko narinig na noise. Kahit yung boses ko, hindi ko marinig. Okay. Totoo may active noise cancelling siya. Wala ko narinig na anything noise sa paligid kahit maraming tao dito. And I cannot hear my voice habang nagma-vlog ako. Let me disconnect this. Hindi ko alam kung paano paganahin yung FM radio. I need to use the flashlight kasi hindi ko makita yung sign niya. I need to press the phone button once to enter the FM mode. Okay. Wow, naka-FM mode na tayo. Ang lakas ng volume, teka. So, yung second button, quick press lang, yung mayroong call button, quick press, mag-enter ka na sa FM mode. Medyo lakas ng volume, hinaan natin. Ano, wala. That's FM. Hindi ko lang alam sana yung volume. Okay, lower down the volume. Okay, naka-FM mode tayo, but I can control the volume, but hindi ako makapag-switch sa channel ng FM radio. I'm not sure kung bakit. O baka maybe it's a signal, kasi sa Parcal tayo, CBTL Parcal. So, I guess it's a signal thing, no? So, I guess the FM radio is working, but di naman ako nakikinig ng FM naman din. I always use Spotify for better audio quality ng music. Alright, so that's it guys for our Motivo W32. Tama to? W32. Hindi siya 33 na. W32 unboxing natin. So ayan, I'll end now my video here. At Motivo naman is very good naman. May active noise cancelling siya. I'll be switching to my Spotify video at Spotify music, no? Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much Motivo for this active noise cancelling Bluetooth wireless headset. Alright, let's do this at let's makinig pa tayo ng The Breed at saka The Pinup Girls. Alright!